Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you're here today. Guys, we're doing one of the things that I really enjoy doing outside of doing lives with you guys is sharing these boxes here. I have another box that just came in and we're going to unbox it together. There are a few pieces in this one. It is a kids box by Untamed Thread. I love getting my boxes through her. I've had such great pieces through her and people love the items that she's getting me, so super excited to share this with you. So do stay tuned for another great unboxing. Okay, you guys, we're going to dive right into this one. I'm excited to see what she sent me this time. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay, the first piece. Now, also to let you guys know, these are going to be an auction. I am listing these, but I have a little secret, y'all. Recently, I've been using Vendu. Y'all know that I've been cross-posting through Vendu for quite some time. Really like Vendu. If you ever want to sign up through Vendu, I do have a link down below, so feel free to take advantage of that. I do believe I get a kickback for it, just to give you a heads up. But I use Vendu, and Vendu recently, a few months ago, connected with Whatnot. So anything that I sell on Whatnot now, I actually list on Vendu first, and I actually put it into Whatnot through Vendu. So all my information is uploaded. I don't have to upload it here and cross-list it, and then upload it onto Whatnot as well. It's all done through Vendu, and it automatically goes onto Whatnot for me, and all I have to do is move it from my marketplace over to whatever show I want to do. I pick the price, and I literally run it, and then when it sells on Whatnot, it automatically shows in Vendu that it is sold. So all I have to do is go in and like normal when something sells, fill in the information, and if it doesn't sell on Whatnot, then it's still listed in my other platforms, so I don't have to do double duty, which has been fantastic. I love it. Alright, let's dive into these pieces. So if you want to join us for a show, I am doing shows this week in the evenings, usually around 7 o'clock at Loving Life Freely. We are showing women's and kids, so come check it out. Alright. This is a Carter size 6. This is adorable. It has an elephant print on it, and it has a crossback feature. This is so cute. Look at that elephant print. How fun is that? And what I like about this is it's a skirt romper. It's a skirt jumpsuit. But you know what? This is such a great fabric for fall and winter. And then you put the cutest little top underneath this for a transition piece if you want to wear it now, and then transition for fall and winter. I love great transition pieces like that. That's fantastic. So there's that one. Okay, Gap. Kids Gap, size large. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. What a beautiful boho piece. Kids Gap, size large. And this is lined too, you guys. This is so pretty. I almost wish this was my size. We joke on my kids shows, on my shows, when you have a size envy, when you see a kid's piece that you wish was an adult piece. It's kind of a funny joke. Alright, Polo by Ralph Lauren, size small 8. This is a great boys jacket. This will definitely be listed. Great boys jacket. I've got a hair on me. My hair is always everywhere. Alright, next one is another Baby Gap. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Look at this great knit poncho. And it even has a front kangaroo pocket. Look at this. How adorable is this? So sweet. I'm happy. So very good. Alright, next up is another Baby Gap. 0 to 3 months. Baby Gap 0 to 3 months, and this is lined. It has a back zipper closure, so cute. Very boho as well. Next, we have Carter's size 3T. Such great fall pieces. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay. Adidas, 18 months. Really cute little sweat joggers. These are regular joggers. They are not fleece. Next, we have Dylan and Baby. Okay, this is a new brand for me. Dylan and Baby. Have you guys ever heard this before? New brand for me. Really adorable little dress. Oh my goodness. I'll have to look and see if this is vintage. So cute. Hopefully my screen back here isn't like bugging you guys out. There we go. All right. Next, Gap Kids Extra Large. Great shirt for school year. Great shirt. Next, Athletic Girl. Athletic Girl little leggings. Awesome. Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Children's Place, size extra large. Beautiful dress, fully lined. Oh my gosh, this would be such a great dress for springtime. So pretty. Size extra large on that one. Okay. Ooh, what is this? All right, Creations Carrie. This is new to me too. Creations Carrie. Look at this, you guys. Look at how embroidered this is. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at this piece. How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness. That is so sweet. It's one of the reasons why I love doing women's and kids clothes. Kids shows. I love kids clothes. They're so sweet. Size 10 Justice. Really cute little skirt, animal print. Size 10 Justice on this one. You tell that I've been doing shows because of how I show my items. All right, this one is a boys Ralph Lauren, size 14. Again, all these will be in the show, you guys. So if you see anything you like, feel free to come to the show and check things out. All right, this is a Children's Place, size 8. This is a really cute girl's halter dress. It is lined. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. All right, we got some shorts. Little bitty shorts. Size 2T. Little bitty shorts. We got some color. H&M, size 4T. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. It's all sequins with hearts. It's a full zip jacket. How cute is that? All right, next, an Adidas jacket, size 7-8. This is great. Boys Adidas jacket, size 7-8. Okay. All right, Sweetheart Rose, size 24 months, you guys. This is beautiful. Look at this gorgeous dress. It is all sparkly on the skirt line too. The whole thing is sparkly. Lace detail is sparkly. How gorgeous is that? All right, size 9 Carter's, great little fleece jacket with little, I think they're like little doggies and snowflakes. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, and the buttons are a little sparkly. Hooded little sweatshirt jacket. Ooh, 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 ooh. What is this? All right, Jonah Michelle. Size 8. I don't know if this is vintage or not, but it's a very sparkly girl's dress. It is navy blue with flowers all over it. How gorgeous is this? If you have a girl that doesn't like the reds and greens for the holidays, this would be another great, beautiful dress for like a holiday event coming up. Not all folks like the reds and greens for the holidays. All right, H&M size 14, little blazer. Hey. Vineyard Vines, size small for the boys, little polo shirt. Oh, Tucker and Tate, really good brand. Size 5 Tucker and Tate, little skirt. Tucker and Tate is a men's brand that is very expensive. Zara size 10. These look like they're wool. And they have the adjustables on them. Little wool pants, Zara size 10. All right, size 4T. This is Carter's. Really cute little boho jacket. Oh, it's a bodysuit. That could go with literally any pair of breeches. Oh my goodness. Alright, Monoprix Kids. This one's new to me. Size 3, Monoprix Kids. And this is a really cute fox. Snakes. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Little sweatshirt. It's a fleece sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This looks like it could be, okay, Lauren Ralph Lauren. Size 8, little button up. We'll be listing these. Okay, what do we have here? Frozen. Frozen dress, girls, size small, 6XXX. Very cute tie-dye dress. All right, this one is, it feels like it could be Under Armour. Boys Under Armour shorts. Boys black Under Armour shorts. What do we have here? Ooh, got a coat. Cat and Jack size large, 10 to 12. Very, very nice warm coat. A few more pieces. Carter's 3 months, brand new with tagged little bodysuit. My gosh. Alright, this one is Little Lad, size 2T. Little Lad, size 2T, you guys. A great cardigan sweater. This has a little thing here. We'll just go ahead and trim that off. And then it's got a pad here. I love the little elbow pads. Little elbow pads. So cute. That is adorable. All right. Okay. Tommy Hilfiger, size 6. Very boho dress. Super cute. And guys, I do have another box coming. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, between these being listed on my platforms and in the lives, some of these I'm actually going to incorporate into my live tonight. I also have some older pieces from other boxes from a while ago that I'm going to be putting in my lives. Guys, my lives are anywhere from $1 start up to $5. Women's and kids. I've decided my men's are probably just going to stay in platform. I don't have a lot of people coming through looking for men's, so the consensus is just women's and kids. So that's what we're going to focus on. And then my men's items will just be in platforms. Feel free to come check it out, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me to see what these kids pieces are. I'm super excited to get these going and to run these in the live tonight and have them posted in. Thank you again so much on Team Fed. Really appreciate you, girl, big time. Guys, we will see you in the next one. As always, be productive.